Hey, welcome to my channel. I know you're probably here because you spent a lot of time recording and editing your video in iMovie just for it to not give you the option to save in 4K. But no worries, there's a really quick and easy fix for that I'm going to show you. Just to show you that this works and you're not alone, here's a video that's not giving me the option to save in 4K. You're going to start by adding a 4K picture or video to the beginning of your movie. Be sure to have the transition style set to none for a clean trim. And voila, you should now have the option to save in 4K. Don't forget to trim the picture or video out of your movie. You can do that after it's saved on your iPad or other iOS device. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment and let me know how this went for you, and if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe.